what is the foundation of a good glow up? So, a good glow up has at least top 4. Yung top 4 lang babanggitin ko kasi yung iba, extra na yon. Okay. Good glowing skin. Healthy skin is the foundation of a good glow up. Kahit na mahal yung makeup mo, but if you do not have good skin, it's still going to show. Okay? So, for example, nag-swimming ka, inaya kang mag-swimming, or yon yung pag minimal makeup ka, makikita naman kung makinis ka eh. Okay? Especially in person. Pangalawa is yung nutrition. Nutrition and hydration. Okay? So what you eat. Pangatlo is yung movement. Okay? Yung pangangatawan mo. Okay? It's very important for you to have yung healthy body. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo, the goal is to be sexy, okay? But sexy kasi is also subjective. Yung iba gusto nila may curves, yung iba gusto nila yung stick thin na parang model. Ako kasi mas gusto ko yung curvy. Especially for me, curvy yung ano ko dahil malaki yung puwet ko. So I prefer it that way. Next is sleep. Number 4 is sleep. So kahit na ang ganda-ganda ng skincare mo pero lagi kang walang tulog, maapektuhan din yung skin mo. Okay, so always try to get enough rest and sleep. Yun yung top 4. Now, if you have the extras, like the money, the time, and everything, of course, yun na yung mga fashion, doon na papasok ang fashion, syempre, yung styling. Kaya nga yung mga artista and influencers, they have a stylist. Pati yung hair nila, may stylist yan. Okay? So, yun ang inaano natin. Yun yung top 4. Kaya nga sabi ko, the foundation of a good glow up is good skin.